O Lord, we give you thanks for your mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and near ones. Heal the people, those who are suffering from COVID-19. Bless us, fill with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings. Amen. Please open your eyes, all of you. Last class, we discussed the one-digit numbers. Okay. And Angel Mary, tell me which are the one-digit numbers. Others, please be quiet. Okay. Angel Mary, tell me which are the one-digit numbers. Which are the one-digit numbers? Only
Two.
number one. See,
One,
look at it. Look at me.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Only 9 or any other number is there? Angel Mary?
No.
No, very good. So the numbers from 1 to 9, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We call these numbers one digit number. We use only one symbol for writing these numbers. And there is another name for one digit number. What is another name? Adon? Another name for one digit number.
1
No. I asked what is another name for one digit number.
digit number.
I asked, I don't. Single digit number. See, I don't listen to ma'am. I asked, what is the another name? See, sometimes some children having 2-3 names, no? In the register, in the school register, one name. Then in the home, another name. Same way, this one digit number also having another name. So what is another name for one digit number? Single digit number. Okay, single digit number. What is the meaning of single? Single means one. Okay, single means one. And which is the smallest one digit number, Kishan? Smallest one digit number.
1.
Krishan, unmute and tell me which is the smallest one digit number.
1.
1. Very good. Now, which is the largest one digit number, Ritika? Largest one digit number. Ritika, please turn on your video. Ritika, please turn on your video and tell me which is the largest one digit number.
9.
9. Very good. Okay. So this much we discussed last day. Now today we are going to have 2-digit numbers. Okay. 2-digit numbers. Please be quiet. That's the main thing. Okay. Please be quiet. So we are starting with the number 10. The 2-digit numbers are starting with the 10. Now, ma'am will tell you when you have to take your maths and all. That much time, please listen to ma'am. No need of unmuting your device. Listen to me. See, ma'am having some sticks. Okay. Now let us see the sticks. Now you can see one chocobar stick. Okay. And this is one, only one. So we can say one, one, one. Okay. 1, 1. Now I'm adding one more. Now it become 2 ones. This is 1, 1. One more came, so 2 ones. This is one now. So another one came, so 2 ones. Now 3 ones. 4 ones. 5 ones. 6 ones. 7 ones. 8 ones. 9 ones. These numbers we already know up to 9, no? Yes. Now I'm adding one more to this 9. I'm adding one more to this 9. So I will get the number. I will get the number 10. 10. 1 more than 9. 1 more than 9. The answer is 10. Okay. 1 more than 9. The answer is 10. Now one more thing. Once again I'm taking the sticks. Listen to me. Okay, this is 1, 1. So I'm adding one more. So 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones, 7 ones, 8 ones, 9 ones, 10 ones. Okay, now I'm making as a bundle using the rubber band. So what is this? It's a bundle of 10. How many ones are there in this bundle of 10? How many ones are there? 10. No, 10 ones are there. 10 ones are there. Listen. So 10 ones make 1 10. Okay. 10 ones make 1 10. You got the idea? 10 ones make 1 10. This is a bundle of 10. This is a bundle of 10. Now I will draw, then it will be more clear to you. So no need to draw in your notebook. You listen to me. Okay, let me share the screen. So please listen here. Okay, I'm drawing the matchsticks. Okay, matchsticks. See, one matchsticks. That means 1 1, 2 ones. No, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones, 7 ones, 8 ones, 9 ones, 10 ones. Now you can see 10 ones. I'm writing 10 ones here. Okay, 10 ones. Now I merged these 10 ones together as a bundle. Okay, now I am showing that the bundle here. See, 10 ones, that's equal to, see, I will draw the sticks. First 4 sticks here. And you can see some space in between. No? There we can do the next 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we can put the rubber band. Okay, so 10 ones. What we can write at 10 ones is equal to, what we can write? You can see the bundle of 1 10. No, so 10 ones is equal to, how many 10? 110. 10 ones is equal to 110. This is very, very important. This, okay, this is very, very important. 10 ones together will make 110. 10 ones together will make 110. Okay, now all of you please take your own matchsticks. Okay, we can do together. Okay, now I am also taking, you can also take. Are you ready? Yes. So take, take 1 1 1 1. Show me 1. Show me 1 1 1. Okay, good. Now one more I'm keeping with this. So 2 ones. 2 ones. Okay. Now one more. 3 ones.
3 ones.
4 ones.
4 ones.
5 ones.
5 ones.
6 ones. 7 ones. 8 ones. 9 ones. Okay, right now we have 9. This we already know how to count it. We are adding one more to this 9. So we will get the number 10. 1 more than 9, it is 10. Okay, now you can see 10 ones. Now take the rubber band.
6,
Okay.
7, 8,
Make it as a bundle.
9, 10.
Ah, yes. What about yours? Show me your bundle of 10. Abel, show me. Okay, good.
Ma'am,
Yes, Nomika, where is yours?
I got
Sanvi, very good.
Ma'am, I got
Okay. Krishank, very good. Krishank, Aiso.
Ma'am, I got
Alasia, good. Ritika, Nakshatra,
Ma'am, I got
Mahadev,
Ma'am,
Align, Nasafsal, Namaswi, Arav. Okay. Ameya, Raya, very good, very good. All of you are doing very good, very good. Okay, I saw all of you are doing very good. Okay, now once again we can lose the rubber band. Okay, we can do it once again. Okay, we can do it once again. Now, once again, please do. Okay, 1, 1, 1. Only 1. So 1, 1. Okay, now 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones, 7 ones, 8 ones, 9 ones. Then we are adding one more. So we get the number 10. That means 10 ones, making us a bundle. So we go to 110. So this is 110. This 110. Okay, Srinditi, very good. 110. Okay. All of you show me 110. All of you show me 110. Okay, good. Now, let us see the next number after 10. I am putting 110 and one more. Okay. Okay, good. 110 and one more. So we will get the number 11. Very good, Adon. Very good. Now, 11. 110 and 2 ones. What's the number? 12. 110 and 3 ones. 110 and 4 ones. 110 and 5 ones. 110 and 5 ones. Okay, next one, 6 ones. 110 and 6 ones. 16. 110 and 7 ones. 110 and 8 ones. 110 and 9 ones. Now 110. Okay, this is 110 and we go to one more 10, that we can make it one more bundle. Okay, see, one more bundle. Now have 2 bundles. What's the number? 2 tens, no? 2 tens. What's the number? 2 tens? 20. Very good. 2 tens means 20. Show me your 2 bundles of 10. Show me your 2 bundles of 10. Yes, we know. Very good. Okay, where is the line? One more. Yes, very good. Okay, Alasia, good. Araya Fatima, 10. Aditya, Ameya, Dak, show me. Okay, Dara. Aradhya, where is the second one? You have to show me 2 bundles. Aradhya, show me 2 bundles. 2 bundles. Okay, Ritika, very good. Okay, Amrin, Vaikarthan. Okay, now you got an idea about the numbers from 10 to 20. Okay, now please listen. You please keep it down. Keep it down. And you please lose the rubber band. Please lose the rubber band. Then who is ready to show me the 110? Take in 111. Who is ready to show me 110? How 110 will come? Okay, Isa. Okay, Isa, take. Others, please be quiet. You have to show me 110. How that 110 will form. So take 111. Okay, show me. Take 1. Okay, then say 1 1. You please unmute, my dear.
1 1
Then you can
Two,
add one
two,
more. Two
3
ones.
3
Two
4 4
ones. Four ones. Okay.
4 ones 5 ones
Five ones.
6 ones
Six ones.
7 ones
Seven ones.
8 ones
Eight ones.
8 ones
Is
9 ones
as
10 ones.
now you make it as a bundle with a rubber band. Okay, so now it is one bundle of 10. That means you can say 10 ones is equal to 110. 10 ones is equal to 110. Now this we will write in the notebook. Then I will say some another person to show me. Okay. Okay, good. Is a good. Okay. So is it clear how we go to 110? We keep 10 ones together, then we will get 110. Now we can draw this in your notebook, then it is more clear to you. Okay, so let me share the screen. You please take your notebook, take a fresh page. Take notebook, take a fresh page. Now I'm going to share the screen. Aradhya, I can see only one bundle. Where's the two bundles? Okay, good, very good, very good. Now tomorrow we'll continue the remaining numbers, no? So that time you can show me. Okay, now Safsal, good. Let me share the screen. Let me rub it. Please mute your device. Okay, now we can write at the top, counting by tens. COUNTING. Counting.
I'm write it.
Yeah, yes, you have to write. Yes, please take the notebook, take a fresh page and write COUNTING. Counting.
What is the spelling of counting?
COUNTING.
G.
Counting. Okay, counting by. BY. By.
What is the spelling of counting?
COUNTING. Counting. Counting by tens. You can write the number 10 and small s. Counting by tens. Counting by tens. Next, we are going to draw sticks. Okay, sticks. So one stick in one box. So you can start from the leftmost box. So you can draw 1 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones, 7 ones, 8 ones, 9 ones, 10 ones. So below we can write the number of tens, the number of ones. 10 ones, ONES, 10 ones.
I am finished.
Who is telling finish? Who is telling finish? Huh? Almost 2 months are over. Again, finish. If you have completed, it's okay, very good. You can show me the thumbs up. Okay, so it will not disturb anyone. So we can write together these bundles of 10 together, putting equal to sign. And then how we will draw the bundle of 10? We have to draw first of all 4. Listen here, how we will draw? First of all, draw 4. Then you can see the space in between the sticks. So there you can draw 3. Then again you can see space. So there you can draw 2. Then 1. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we are putting as a bundle, so you can put a rubber band. So this is a bundle of 10. So 10 ones is equal to Sasha, what is 10 ones together? We will say
10
ones together. We will say 110. See, this is 110. So 10 ones is equal to 110. Okay, 10 ones is equal to 110. So this you can put it in a box. It's very, very important. 10 ones is equal to 110.
110.
Okay, please complete it in the notebook. Please write. 10 ones is equal to 110. Ten ones is equal to 110. Mia, show me the notebook you have completed. Keep it down.
Okay, ma'am.
Keep it down. So 10 ones is equal to 110.
Ma'am, has I complete?
Okay, good, good, very good.
Ma'am, I complete.
Sanvi, this 110, no, that picture you can draw near that ones. Try to draw there, okay? Try to draw there. Now it's okay. You all have completed. Very good. You please keep your book down. And all of you show me 11, number 11. Show me number 11. How it will be the number 11? Show me the number 11.
Ma'am, can you share the board?
Okay, I will share the board. Very good, Sanvi, very good. 110 and 1, 1. Very good. Sanvi, good. 110 and 1, 1. It shows 11. Nomika, where is 11? Show me the 11.
Ma'am, with the matchstick.
Yeah, just show me.
Ma'am,
Which matchsticks?
Ma'am, Srinadi.
Namaste, you completed. Let me stop sharing.
Ma'am.
Okay, right. Namaste, right? Namaste, right? Okay, Mia, good. 110 and 1, 1. Okay, what's the number, Mia? 110 and 1, 1. What's the number? 110 and 1, 1, 11. Good girl. Okay, now we can move. Yes, Saharshan, Sarish. Show me 11. Nomika, it's okay. You don't have the sticks, Nomika?
And 1.
Okay, let me stop sharing. Then only I can see this. Okay, all of you show me number 11. Okay, Sagar, Shasha, Sarish. Very good, very good. Okay. It's of Noora. Where is it? 1, 10, and 1, 1. Okay, Ayush, very good. Vaikarthan. Then Adon, where is 11? Number 11. Show me using matchsticks. Idana, good. Okay, Ramasri, okay, you can keep it down. Gauri, show me 11 using the matchsticks.
I don't have Srinadi.
Okay, Aditya, good.
Ma'am,
Mahadev, very good. See, Gauri Krishna, no. 11, one bundle of 10 and 1, 1. Gauri Krishna, one bundle of 10 and 1, 1. That is 11. Antonis, show me 11.
Ma'am, Srinadi.
Okay, Srinidhi, I will come to. Srinidhi, Antonis, show me 11. See, listen here, listen here. Why are you showing 2 sticks? That is 11. Eh? Why are you showing 2 sticks? That is 11.
Ma'am, I got
No, one bundle of 10 and 1. One bundle of 10 and 1, 1. That is 11. Okay, we have, very good. Dara, Salish, Sanvi, good. Nathaniel, good, good. Mahadev, where is your 1? 1, 10 and 1, 1. That you have to put together. Okay, Rituparna, good. Nathaniel, now it's okay. Nakshatra, okay. Shall we draw this in the notebook? Okay, Abel, good. Okay, let me share the screen. Yes, Ritika. Okay, good. Now we can draw 11. So 11 means it is 1, 10 and 1, 1. So let us draw 11. So one bundle of 10. So you can draw in the same page. Okay, you can draw in the same page. This is 1, 10 and 1. Ritika, write, draw. So below we can write 1, 10 and yes, my dear, 1, 1. 1, 10 and 1, 1. What's the number 1, 10 and 1, 1?
11.
11. So we can write the number 11. You have to write the number name also. That means ELEVEN, 11.
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear. Srinidhi, show me, Srinidhi.
10 and 1.
Show me your bundle of 10, Srinidhi. Bundle of 10. Okay. Now, one bundle of 10 and 1, 1. Show me. That is a number 11. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, show me 12 then. Show me 12. What is 12 then? One bundle of 10. And how many ones will come? How many ones will come, Srinidhi? 1, 10 already there. Okay.
Yes.
So we add 1 to 1 bundle, we got the number 11. If we took 2, what will be the number? 1, 10 and 2 ones. Okay? 1, 10 and 2 ones. 2 ones.
2 ones.
Where is 2 ones? I didn't see 2 ones. Sindhi, show me 2 1. 2 ones. Now it is okay. Okay? One bundle of 10 and 2 ones. The number is 12.
Yes.
Okay. Now please draw in your notebook. Yes, Ritika. I don't take your pencil from your home, mother and draw. Those who have completed 11 can draw 12. Very simple, no? One bundle of 10, 2 ones. Please draw. Only these three, 1, 10,
Ma'am, I
and
don't know
11 and 12. Only these three today.
I don't know the 12 spelling.
Just 1 minute, just 1 minute. Yes, Srinidhi?
I don't know the one spell. No, I don't know the 12 spelling.
Which one spelling? Which one?
12.
Which one? 12. Ah, that we will write. You don't worry. We will write now. Okay. Let me share the screen.
Ma'am, can you shut the board and finish writing?
Now we are going to draw 12. So what we should do? See, we have to draw one bundle of 10. Okay. Then 2 ones. So 1 10 and 2 ones. Here more than one. So we can say 2 ones. So it will make the number 12. Now what's the spelling? T W E L V E. See, we wrote only 10, 11 and 12. Write these spellings. Number names 3 times in the rough book. Okay, write and study the spelling. Now let me see the attendance. Gauri Krishna present. Mohammad Iksan is here. Mohammad Iksan. Mohammad Iksan.
What is the spelling of 12? Yes. Ma'am, what spelling of the 12?
TWELVE. Look at the board. It's written here. Yes, Mohammad Iksan is present. Okay, Iksan. Show me the bundle of 10. I didn't see. Did you draw a bundle of 10 in your notebook? Nikit Vipin? Present? Nikit Vipin? Nikit Vipin is present?
Listen, ma'am.
Okay. Just 1 minute, just 1 minute. The same notes I will forward in the group. You don't worry. I want to see the attendance. That's right. Okay, Nikit. Okay.
Ma'am, can you share the board?
Yes, I will share. Please don't worry. See, listen. You don't worry. The same notes I will forward in the group. You don't worry. Okay. Now it's time to winding up the session. So I have to wind up the class. Yes, my dear.
Ma'am, there's only one chance. There's only one. Please.
Yes, my dear. Just 1 minute. And voice is breaking, my dear. So let me take.
Your voice is breaking.
Okay. And now please tell me. You have any doubt?
Yes. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Who is having the doubt? Please tell me.
Srinidhi.
Okay, Srinidhi, tell me.
My bird.
Huh?
My bird died.
Yes, Srinidhi.
My bird died. I'm so sad that why.
See, now we will talk later, Srinidhi. Okay, now it's time to winding up the class. So thank you for joining. Okay.
Bye,
Is it clear? Is it clear? 10 ones is equal to 110. Is it clear? We'll continue in the next class. Okay, so thank you for joining. Bye.
Bye.